You've been lied to. All the videos on YouTube claim that there are two main AI business models, agency and SaaS. What if I told you there's an AI business model that is different from the rest, but is easier to start, friendly for beginners, and even more profitable? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to build an entire business, as well as create AI marketing videos that will market your business for you without you having to do anything. All right, so you see right here, here's our prompt. We are going to give two eyewear brand websites into the prompt so you have enough reference, and basically we're going to be creating our own eyeglass company. Now, one thing to note, the product is not AI. The product is eyewear, like glasses that look cool. We're going to be using AI to build the entire business. So as you wait for the AI to actually go ahead and build the website, now I'm going for a black and red theme because I think it will look really cool, and we do want blue light blocking glasses, and I think just the black and red seems amazing. All right, so we're gonna look at some of these product images that the AI will be giving us, and based off the good product image, we will create a website around it, right? First, we need to make sure our product is actually good. Okay, so it looks like it's almost done. All right, so we have our first image. Not too bad. There's a red and black glow in the background, but the actual glasses are still having a blue tint, which I don't really know if I'm looking for a blue tint. Go ahead and change that up a bit. Cause I'm thinking we have more of a red tint. I think that will look a lot cooler. So, all right, so this image looks pretty good, you know, all in all. I mean, it has a red glow in the back, like I said, but you know, it's still blue. I mean, the glasses are still blue, and we don't want that. We don't want that. All right, so we have this image. All right, so if I can just add this to the chat. All right, so what we're gonna say is, can we have variations of that, or the tint in the glass? Because remember, we're trying to make this red glasses, not just have a red background. That's useless. Oranges will also be good. I think orange is meant to block more light out of blue light glasses, but red looks cooler. So we're gonna see which one it comes up with the better design, and we'll just run with that one. All right, so we're gonna just wait for this to finish. Okay, so I'm just actually about to recopy this. I forgot to add the image into it. All right, so we fired up the prompt and we added the reference image. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what the final results will look like with the new tint of orange and red. Okay, so which image generate? All right, so the new variations are almost done. Let's go ahead and see. I'm very excited to see what it comes out with, because a good product image is all we really need to get. Okay. All right, it's a little orange, a little more orange than I was hoping for, but it's not bad. So I'm guessing the other variation will be the actual red version. I'm more inclined on seeing this. Okay, wow, and this red version looks a lot better. Wow. All right, so just fix that out. Let's add this to our prompt, because we're going to build a website around this product. So we're going to use AI now to build out the website given just the product image itself. So this will be a first draft of our business's website. Obviously we're going to add some changes to it, but you know, we're going to give it this prompt, essentially letting it know that it's going to create a one-pager landing page for us that's just promoting the product. That's the sole goal of it. Scope, like in Black Ops. I don't know, scope sounds cool because, you know, vision. Deep work, and the reason I'm trying to see if we can make this eyeglass company for entrepreneurs, right? So when you're on your laptop a lot, you're just staring at the screen, you're trying to engage in deep work. Maybe you know if you're an entrepreneur, you know that 8 p.m. 12 p.m. inspiration you have, where you can just lock in on work, or that 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. grind, just Claude coding. So trying to have that messaging into our app, and we just gave it the wearlens.com as reference. And that's from Daniel Dalen's company, I believe. All right, so now we're just gonna wait for this landing page to be built, and we're gonna give feedback where we can, because I doubt it'll get it right on the first try. Most AIs are not able to, and just based off personal taste, I like to be a bit particular about certain things on my business's website. Okay, so looks like the landing page is pretty much built. That was actually a bit faster than I thought it would be, but hey, I'm all for it. Alright, so this is the website. I mean, it kind of looks sick. I think the product on the right can display a little bit better, but look at how it basically took inspiration from the Lens website, and we break down the cost of goods, so it's very transparent with everything. So you can see we have $45. You can acquire the frame. We have kind of like a roadmap. That's the call to action button. Land structure, nice. Concept transparency specs. This is a pretty sick landing page for like a one shot. You know, this is like our first try at it, and I think the font's really cool. I think the theme is pretty good too. The name sounds sick. I mean, the name Scope. I think I might have to make this a real thing now. Okay, so I added this prompt because I think the image on the right side is just a bit too small. It's almost done generating. Well, this looks kind of sick. Oh, the glass looks a little bit orange, but I think maybe that could just be the laptop light. Guess it's almost done with the entire chain. Not only is it adding the image, but it's also rebuilding the website. All right, here's a new website. Okay, well, one problem is that the product is no longer visible. The product itself, we have the cool guy with the glasses on, but you have to make sure we show the product. So we guess let's add that real quick. So just add this product, should be visible. Because remember guys, the product right now is not visible. Only someone wearing it is, and that's not doing it justice. We have to have the product at the real bottom where the price is. That way it makes more sense. Like, you want your product to be the last thing the person looks at, as well as the first thing. So we're having someone wear it as the first thing, but for the last thing, we need to make sure the product is there. So when they're buying it, they can look at the product. Oh my God, this looks so cool. I gotta spend. And you have very transparent pricing with the $45 breakdown. So this should be pretty good. You just add some different angles too. All right. Okay, we got some changes coming in. I like that. Very nice. Okay. So, all right. Yeah. I like that. The product is nice and visible. Okay. So we have the hero banner with the guy, as we had before as well. And then we have product integrity, angles, and environment. And then we have the product plus the features. Secure system pack. This is pretty solid. I will say this is a pretty solid landing page, especially if you're trying to get your businesses out there and not trying to spend thousands of dollars on like a professional website designer who's also just gonna vibe code anyways, or spend more than like a day creating a website. This is great, and this is all within under an hour too. So this is very, very good. Yeah, I'm thoroughly pleased for this, and hopefully you all can see that this is how easy it is to build and launch a business right now. Like, the website is barely any work for you to do. Yeah, all in all, very good site. We could optimize it further, but I think that it's time to move on to the marketing, right? Because you saw how easy it is to create a website. Now I want to show you how easy it is to get our product and build a AI video that is meant to market it for us without having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, so to create this marketing video, let's go ahead and just add this to chat. All right, so we're gonna make a prompt of, so make a high profile marketing video with a model, and we're adding the same model count. The person look good. Obviously looks matter of whoever's wearing your product. This is what it is. People are more inclined to buy something from someone who looks attractive. So we gave the product, we gave this prompt, so now we're just gonna wait for that video to be created. Okay, so it's giving us a first person POV and the full breakdown of how this video is gonna be looking like. Now it's asking us to give approval. Well, and it's using CDance 2.0, 9:16 format, 720p, 12-second duration. Okay, the settings all look good. I think we can go ahead and approve this, and let's bring this to life. All right, so the video is ready. Okay, this guy looks like Tom Brady. He literally looks like Tom Brady. Okay, so it looks like he's still building the scene, even though the video's up there. So just wait a little more. Maybe it's add some changes. Okay, the guy got motion now. Before he was staying still, and now we have actual video. Different angles, which I like. It keeps the pattern interrupting the user engaged. The glasses look almost smack similar or exactly the same as the image that we gave it, which is great because creating product videos used to cost thousands of dollars, especially hiring a model or just regular UGC creators. But now with AI, and this guy looks like a real person. This is dope. Okay, so video is fully complete, and this is a new website. So it looks exactly the same, but we have a video now, right in the middle. Sick. Cognitive Shield Campaign. What a name. I didn't come up with that. What a name. See the whole video right here. This guy looks smacked like Tom Brady, man. Like a younger version. It's 12 seconds. Nice. You can see all like the code in the back. Pretty cool. Can't lie. Okay, so now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be launching a marketing campaign, like an email marketing campaign. So anyone who maybe buys this product, or if we give like a freebie, like a lead magnet to someone who might be inclined to buy glasses, we can hype them up via a 10 email sequence that will get them to buy our product. So email marketing is huge when you're running a business. And if you can crack email marketing, you're almost ensuring yourself stable income, because email marketing is very predictable. So we're just gonna have Higgsfield generate a 10 email long sequence to anyone who's on the wait list for this product. Because when we actually launch this, I'm gonna make it like a wait list, not just a direct buy, to build more hype around the product. And yeah, so we're gonna make sure it follows the SAP method. For those who don't know, SAP method is essentially a way of let me find this link first. But yeah, so SAP method, I'll just search up on Google and it'll kind of break it down. You can just pause the video, it was right up there, and full description of it. But this is a good guide that we can just pass in to Higgsfield, so we can just follow. Okay, so we're gonna input that link right here to give context to Higgsfield on what exactly SAP method is. For those who don't know, it's basically creating a dramatic scene to eventually push the person to buy the product. It's a very high level overview, but this is our email sequence. You see it says high drama, and wait, wow, that was actually pretty fast. Like, it was like 10 emails, like pretty straightforward, and the copy looks pretty straightforward. It looks pretty solid to me. Let me just check the rest. All right, so yeah, I mean, start number email 1, setting the stage. It's pretty good. You have to set the stage again, so it's building more on other luxury eyewear brands. Now we're building something different. Nice. Well, this is like, wow. I don't know if it's the AI itself or it's the reference we gave it, but it's pretty spot on with the SOAP method. I'm building the high drama in email 3, mid-launch meltdown, high drama more. It was really exasperating the effect of like poor glasses. The epiphany, email 5. Exact anatomy. Okay, that's really cool. Epiphany part 2. Oh, so we can just kind of like fast forward. And benefits, the call to action 9, call to action part 2. Okay, this is a full sell. This is a solid 10 email sequence. I mean, I know copywriters who charge like $2,000 a month to write emails, and they can't do a good job as this. I'm very surprised. So we have our landing page. This is the old one, right, that we first started with. Then we have the second one that had no product. Then we have the next one, you know, that basically is the final one minus like the actual marketing video that we had. This was like pretty solid. Pretty solid. So it's pretty cool to see just a progression of our landing pages, right? From like the beginning one that was very bare bone to this one. And again, this is all within like an hour. So it's pretty crazy. Not to mention our AI video that we have right here on like the final version. But also the 10 email sequence. Like, this is a full-on business. You have your website, you have your marketing video, and you have an email sequence. You can just go to town now and really launch your business. I do want to shout out Higgsfield for sponsoring this video, because if it was not for them, I would have extended access to their tool and show you how easy it is to launch a full-on one-person AI business with marketing, emails, and a website completed. And to try Higgsfield for yourself, check the first link in the description below. Now, if their business launched, how do you actually get clients? To figure that out, watch this video next.